Today we're going to talk about the ideal FAQ, fast inline FAQ items. This plugin is included in the FAQ Pro package only, and it's an easy and intuitive way to add FAQ items to your articles without any complicated shortcodes. Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure the system ideal FAQ fast inline FAQ items plugin is enabled. Okay, then once enabled, when you go to edit your article, you'll be able to see here the CMS content button, the ideal FAQ inline. Also, this is the Joomla native editor. Okay, so we have FAQ name. You can enter here any name you want. You can leave it empty if you only have one FAQ per article. And these three next options are just to override the component options. And here the items is the section where we have question and answer. For testing purposes, I'm just gonna add question 1, answer 1. I'm gonna add 2 questions here. Okay, insert, and you're gonna see they're gonna show in a formatted way. This is not how it's gonna show on the website, don't worry. But here you're gonna see FAQ. You have one section containing a question and answer. Here you can change the question to anything you'd like, and so is the answer. You can add images, change formatting. You can do whatever you'd like here. Let's say you want to add one more question. So the way you do it is just come here and just add the same FAQ name you had for the previous one. In this case, we're not gonna change here because it's the same thing. So I'm gonna add question 3 and insert 3 here, and I'm gonna insert, and you're gonna see it's gonna come up here at the end. Another way you can add new questions is you can toggle the editor and copy the section. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and then you can do question 4, answer 4. Okay, and then we can toggle and voila, it's right here. So let's save and see how it looks like on the website. So here's my FAQ with the proper formatting and the template I chose. Okay, so now let's change, no, not change, but let's add a new one. Let's add a new one over here. I'm gonna give another name, second. Okay, I'm gonna set to show. I'm gonna choose another template. Let's say this one. Okay, and I'm gonna set to show the question numbers. And now I'm gonna do question, I don't know, 5, answer 5, just a couple of them, 2, 6, answer 6, okay, insert. So we have the first one here, and the second FAQ here. I'm gonna save, come here, refresh, and we have our second one here. Okay, so collapse all. The collapse all buttons, they actually it's gonna work on all of them. So if you want to have the expand and collapse all buttons, you have to put on the first one. Let's change here, and we can actually change over here. Let's go here, controls. I'm going to remove from here, so we have none. Oh, actually, let me set to 0. And here, let me set to 1. I'm going to save, refresh, and it's going to show up there. See? Any of the settings we have to override the component settings, they're going to be in this div here, okay, as a data dash setting. So you can change here afterwards if you want, if you like. Okay, the numbers, they are one, they're not going to reset when you add a new one, actually reset when you add a new FAQ, okay? I think that's it for today. Also, if by any chance, this is more like a debugging, you don't have an answer, the plugin will not display your question as well, because it doesn't make sense to have just a question without the answer. Okay, so you can do this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy